All right, math. This is going over working backwards again. Today you're going to be doing the workbook pages. I know that it says that there are 4 pages to do, but that's because there's not that many problems on each page. There are a bunch of words, they have to write things out, and so it takes more time. Guys, quiet. First problem that I want to go over with you. They have where it says a large company places an order for office supplies. They spend 8 times as much money on printer ink than they do on pens. Do I know anything yet? No. Then it says they spend $8,400 more on ink than they do on folders. Do we know anything yet?
No.
We know that they spend $8,400 more on something, but do we know where we're starting at? No. Then it says they spend $12,000 on folders. All right, we got folders. $12,000 or $1,200? $1,200. How much do they spend on pens? They got pens and ink. So from this, let's go backwards. They spend 8 times as much money on the printer than on the pens. They spend $8,400 more on ink than they do on the file folders. So $8,500 more. So what am I going to do here? $8,400, $1,200, and I'm going to get 00696. And so that's for the what?
That's for the
ink. 9,600. Okay. Then I got to go find. They spend 8 times as much money on the ink than they do on the pens. So what do I do now?
Oh, 8,000. What? Just divide 96 by 8.
9,600 divided by 8.
Is it 76,800?
Goes 1.
Oh, that's division.
2.
Change that.
What do I do now? Why? It's all zeros left. If I bring them down, I'm going to end up with
100.
0, 0. So how much do they spend on pens?
1,200.
1,200. Okay. Let's look at number
Why
1.
do you divide it? When it says times.
Leaping Leo wins a frog jumping contest. He jumps 27 times as far as Tiny Tom.
Very
Who's Tiny Tom?
convenient.
The frog that comes in last. Yeah, Tom's last.
This doesn't make sense.
Leaping Leo jumps 99 inches more than Mighty Mo, who jumps 144 inches. So we got Mo
Do you just go like
and Tim. Tim? Tom? And what was the other one?
Leaping Leo.
Leo.
And Mighty Mo.
What do we know about Mo?
They're talking like
He goes 144 inches. Now, your questions. How can you work backwards to solve the problem? How do we work backwards to solve it?
We started with Mo and then ended with Leo.
You're going to end with the first one. Then it talks about it there. Okay? So that's what you're going to put down for number one. Number two, how can you find how far Leaping Leo jumps? How far does Leaping Leo jump?
Add 99 plus 144.
8 + 200.
And this is who?
240.
This is Leo?
Leo, Leaping Leo.
Now, number three. How can you find how far Tiny Tom jumps? How far does he jump?
As far as the book.
By what?
No. Then 243 divided by 27.
That's what I did. You don't have to do that.
Yeah, no, but
It's
I don't care. I'm
nine.
trying to tell
What?
you it's probably gonna
Nine.
be crazy.
Finally, sure.
Nine.
We did it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
If Tiny Tom is already competing
I already did it.
in these races, if Tiny Tom is already competing in these races, when he becomes Big Tim, he would be beating everybody.
So all of a sudden we're finding out Tiny Tom, that's why he doesn't jump very far, is because he's tiny. He only went 9 inches.
Yeah.
All right.
I ended up.
I've already done 1, 2, and 3 for you. Okay? I'm going to stop there, and you are going to finish these. Okay? You also have 2 IXLs to do. Okay? I haven't put them up yet. I think they're 05 and 6. I'm not sure.
I'm doing the Excels.
All right.
Let's see.